Tiger nuts, as the name implies, has nothing to do with tiger or nut. Rather, their outer appearance gives them the name tiger nut. They just belong to a small root vegetable called tubers plant and also known as chestnut in India or earth almond. Its botanical name is Cyprus escletus. It can be mostly found in Egypt, Africa, and Spain. Tiger nuts have a size of a chickpeas with a slightly sweet and coconut-like flavor. They are starchy and flavoring and a little hard to trim. They are the perfect snack option since you can enjoy their nutty and creamy flavor. Tiger nut is good and rich in fatty acid. It contains vitamin C, iron, magnesium, zinc, potassium, and calcium, which promotes bones health and growth. Tiger nuts have a yellow, which is the fresh one, brown, which is the dry one, and black. Sometimes it can be converted into tiger nut flour, tiger nut oil, tiger nut milk, and it can be eaten at your desires. 1 ounce of raw or dried tiger nut contains 120 calories, 2 grams protein, 9 grams carbohydrate, 7 grams of fat, 10 grams of fiber, and 9 grams of sugar. Tiger nuts are excellent source of protein. Protein plays a vital role in our body system because it helps in building and maintaining bones, cartilage, muscle, blood, and skin, and also repair wounds. So I urge you to eat more of tiger nuts. Tiger nuts contain fiber, and with the help of fiber, it helps in breaking down foods in the stomach, and it also helps in better absorption of nutrients from the digested food and reduce the chance of constipation by increasing the diversity of good bacteria in the gut. A study was shown that eating of soya bean and tiger nut together help in lowering blood sugar level value in a diabetic person. Due to the high fiber in tiger nuts, it helps to slow down the absorption of sugar in the intestine and also have a high content of arginine and amino acid that stimulates insulin sensitivities. One should make tiger nut as a daily dieting because tiger nut extracts have shown to benefit the immune system. Study in 2000 has shown that tiger nut extract fight against bacteria such as an E. coli in our body. Tiger nut contain nutrients such as magnesium, monosaturated fatty acid, which help the body to maintain a steady heartbeat, strengthen bones, regulate blood sugar, and it can help lower the risk of blood clot formation, hypertension, and heart disease. It has shown that in the ancient medical system of India, tiger nut is said to improve libido and sexual dysfunction. They may help improve blood flow from the genitals, which may be beneficial for treating sexual dysfunction. Several rate studies confirm that regular consumption of tiger nut can stimulate sexual activities, which is indicated by an increase in testosterone levels. You can see all these benefits of tiger nut to your health. You can also give it a try. So don't forget to comment down if you have been benefiting from the consumption of tiger nut and let us know how you feel by using the comment section. Thank you for watching.